commission increase for all sellers. Yes, for those people who are selling in Shopee or Lazada store, there is a huge commission increase for 2023 for all of us sellers. So what it's all about and what are the exact fees that is going to be charged by to the sellers? Okay, come let me share with you. But before I proceed, let me introduce myself. I'm Kong, Lazada Senior Certified Trainer and also an e-commerce seller just like you. I've trained thousands of students and sellers and business people to grow their sales on Lazada, Shopee and TikTok Shop. So those who need guidance, okay, just click the link below. Okay, there's a link to contact me and get training from me. Okay, come, let's go to all the charges that the platforms are charging us sellers. Come, let's go. Okay, so I've prepared this. Okay, so can you see here that okay, that this is can you see? Yeah, okay. So for those of you that are selling on Shopee right now, okay, or Lazada, okay, from the 10th onwards, January 2023, before this was only 2%. So after the 10th January, Shopee sellers will be charged 4.24%, okay, and guess what? Okay, Lazada has announced that they're going to increase commission as well to 4.24%. So 3 to 4%, it depends on your category. So everybody's category may be different. There may be slightly different charges. Okay, so Lazada also have announced 23rd January 2023 there will be a huge price commission increase, so also up to 4.24. Okay, and do you know that besides the commission, right, we get charged transaction fees of 2.12%. Yes, so just by selling alone on Shopee and Lazada, right, so we will be charged around 6.36%, and most sellers of us love to give free shipping, right? So for Shopee free shipping program, we are charged 5.3%, and Lazada free shipping program, we are charged 5.3%. So roughly in total, if we're just selling and giving free shipping, will be charged by the platforms like Shopee and Lazada 11.66%. So make sure your margins cover that. So what about TikTok? At this moment, there's no major announcement yet. Commission is still 0. Okay, transaction fees is 2.12. So in total, it's only 2.12. Okay, but will TikTok follow Lazada and Shopee to increase the commission rate? We don't know yet. Okay, so stay tuned. If any major changes, I will alert you here. Okay, so don't worry. So for those who are, can you please do me a big favor by subscribing to this channel? Okay, and if you want to share to your friends, please do so. Okay, for those of you who needs help, okay, guidance to grow your sales, okay, bigger and bigger and bigger, okay, please don't hesitate to contact me, Kong, your trainer and your coach. So click the link below. So happy selling, guys, for 2023.